Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're seeing this video. Happy New Year's Eve, y'all. Happy freaking New Year's Eve, because you know why? We made it. We made it. We are almost in January. Right now it is currently 2:01. And what I wanted to do is just show you all what I purchased for Christmas and how much I actually spent for Christmas. And then if I have time, I will do a what's in my wallet video if I don't decide to add it to a new video. So hold on. Whew. What are you all having for dinner tonight? Are you doing the greens for, financial wealth and all of that? Or are you doing black eyed peas? Are you doing hot wings and rotel and meatball stuff like that, like I'm thinking about doing? What are you all going to eat for today or tonight, or shoot, even tomorrow? Let me move the keys out the way. I'm in the process of actually folding up clothes, doing laundry, all of that stuff that you typically supposed to do by New Year's Day, so you won't have to do it, so you won't have to quote unquote wash a person out of your life or whatever. Yeah, my mom would take me out if I decided to wash tomorrow. So, getting all of that did today. Let's see what happened when it comes to Christmas. So, when I tell you I kept track, looks like I need to roll. Okay, I'm back. I'm probably going to leave the view alone, leave it how it is, because I don't want to edit anything. So, the first part is pretty much just of me talking anyway. Why not? So, for Christmas, this is all the cash that I spent on Christmas for 2024. So, let's see what was spent. So, we have first Macy's. So my godson, he wanted a sweater, a Nike sweater, because at their school they can't wear any hoodies. So that's the closest. Okay, I had to fix my chair. Hopefully you all can still see this, by the way. And if you see anything blue, that is my hoodie. So I have you all zoomed in. So what I'm going to do is just sit back. So first we have my godson. He wanted a Nike sweatshirt because he can't wear a hoodie. So I found one on sale with tax that was $41.73. My sister, she wanted either Dolce and Gabbana light blue. She loved that perfume. Like, I don't think she wear anything else, just that perfume. I did again, found a discount, bought the smallest bottle for $76.83. This right here is for me. So we got jasmine, some supplements. I got my lavender key fob, and it was $57.41. Also, I ended up getting Jasmine a container to put her dog food in. Next, we have Walmart, and was mine. So we have the printer and the vacuum. That was $134.38. Then we have Amazon purchase for $43.96. That was for a Christmas gift. So my best friend, she wanted a um, journal, sort of like a devotional journal or prayer journal, whichever you want to call it. Her daughter wanted one of those what is it, Diary of Wimpy Kids or whatever it is. She wanted one of those books, so I got it. And then we have, what is this, $4.42. Whatever it is, I returned it, looked like. And then after that, we have Walmart again. I got my best friend a Dutch oven by what is that lady's name? Drew Barrymore. So she wanted a Dutch oven, so I got her that. She typically sent me a list of things, and I just, you know, picked from there. Next, we have Amazon again, which I did return, and I ordered Jasmine another food container because I didn't know which one I truly wanted to keep. So I actually returned one, and they sent me a refund but wanted me to keep it. I don't know why, because I never opened it, used it, or any of that. Next, we have Walmart again, which we shouldn't even talk about this, but I ended up ordering my sister a Xbox. Of course, she paid me the money back in full, so that we shouldn't even talk about this. Anywho, for the money, I took all the money back. I did tell her to, send me all the money except for $50, and for the $50 to put that in my niece's gift box, or whatever you got her, put it with it. So next we have Amazon. I ordered her sister a camera, and y'all, my sister told me that the youngest has been taking pictures of any and everything like she's a photographer. And I'm like, wait a minute. She may be a photographer in the future. You don't know. Let her, let her be great or whatever. After that, after that, I don't know what I just said. Next, we have $90.14. Not really sure what that's for. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, okay. $90.14. I got Travis an outfit for Christmas. So that's where that money came from. Next, I returned this from Macy's because, yeah, I found it cheaper from Macy's again and reordered it. I needed to get my $25 back, y'all. So that's where that came from. If I make it through this full video, I'll just make another one because we're already on 9 minutes. 150.70 is the amount of the cologne I actually purchased for Travis, so 150.07. For this one, that's the dog container refund, so I just scratched that out. For this one, 55.40, I got my mom some boots. I got my niece a shirt. I got me some lip chap. And I had all of that sent to my sister. No. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So we talked about my mom. I purchased her some brown boots. And if I can, I will put the pictures of everything in here, just so you all can see. Now, I was going to spend $20 on my brother-in-law to get him some things that he need, but my sister told me don't worry about it, so I scratched that out. And then for my best friend, I did send her $40 on Cash App. She do work at Walmart, and every year around Thanksgiving or whatever, they give the people that works the, I think, 25% or whatever. And she was like, she didn't have a lot to shop with, so I was like, well, let me go ahead and give you your Christmas present now. Uh, Top right. Let me go ahead and give you your Christmas present now. So I went ahead and sent her $40. Now, my cousin, she had already asked to borrow $11. Yes, she asked to borrow $11. So I just told her to keep that, and I turned around and sent her $20. And all together, instead of me spending 950-ish dollars, I actually spent $906.56. So that's what I spent all for this Christmas. If you hear any screaming in the background, that's Travis. He's currently playing Fortnite or Call of Duty. So if you hear any of that, that's him. We are trying to, like I said, get laundry done, and I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I thank you all so much for continuing to support my videos. Definitely check out Tammy over at Make Money Save Money. For the ones that needed help with watch hours, I'm going to double check to make sure. I don't know if you all are monetized just yet or not, so I'm going to double check. And then if you're not monetized, I'll go ahead and bring you all up in the next video. So have a great day. Happy New Year. Have a great New Year. I haven't gotten my goals together just yet, but I'm working on them. So bye.